So today I'm going to show you how I create custom hook in my React Native Expo app. So currently I have a screen here, my home screen here, which renders the recent jobs, and I'm able to toggle and untoggle a job item. So if I untoggle this, I have only one item on my saved jobs list. If I toggle this or save this, I now have two items. So looking at my code looks so long, 165 lines of code, and I want to make this code look more neat and reusable. Now, how do I do this? So I've created two files for favorites, which is basically to toggle and untoggle an item, and also to render all the list of all the jobs. So let's get into the code and fix this. So I'm going to copy out the use state hooks for my list jobs. Just import the libraries for it. It's going to import all the libraries I need for my custom hooks. So what else? Fetching the jobs here. I'll need this. What's the APIs for it? I'll need this. Including the queries. So what else do I need here? Yeah, I need my use effect for rendering the job items when the screen loads for the first time. Whenever the job data from the API changes. So I'm gonna okay, what else? What else do I need? So that'll be all for jobs. I think this should be jobs here. Yeah, this is jobs. Now for the favorite hook, so I'm going to import this. So my API for fetching the favorite item, the mutation, and also the function for that. So I import the queries. You can see now I don't need all of this. Import the queries for this. Where do I need this? For the queries. I think I can just use user ID here. Import user ID, use auth state, my mutations, queries. Okay, that looks better. So the loading state now, loading state. Yeah, I'm the loading state. All right, so I can return the items I'll use in my home component. So loading items, favorite loading for the API and the toggle favorite. What else? I think that's pretty much it for favorite hook. Then this I'll return the jobs and jobs loading. Okay. So I have to import them now in my home components. So I won't need this anymore. So you can see my home component looking neater, and it's about 86 lines of code. So let's import those let's import the hooks now. So a custom hook. So use favorite hook. What do I need from here? I need all of this. I also need So now I have the home screen looking very, very neat. About 91 lines of code here. That's fine. And my hooks. So let's test it now. So I will save this. Yeah, it still works. So it works very well. So I can save an item to my favorite list or my saved job list, and there you go, you have them. So I've also used this same custom hook in another screen for searching items. So if I come here, I have search jobs. Yeah, I can just name this search for jobs. Yeah. So this component, I need to import the refetch hook from the query. So import this here. So you can see I'm also using this in my search screen. So I'm fetching jobs and also my favorite hook, custom hook. So I have the use list jobs and use favorite jobs hook. See, that's the importance of clean code. You need to write code that is reusable across your app.